Start with the name of Allah, the merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Kashan Ali and belongs to Nawabshah district, Shahid Benazirabad. Today our topic atom bomb and education. So first my opinion. First of all, friends, what is the not solution of any problem, any your situation? What is the not solution? Because when you forward atom bomb and other countries, so you will be seeing destructions, destroy and others. We can not good things, so not good good results of atom bomb. So but atom bomb is your safety, safety your country. And these cadets of our Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, he will be creator for Pakistan atom bomb, and this is your safety. But according to situations we seen, we can use atom bomb and not. But my opinion is not use atom bomb, because when you use the atom bomb, so will you backward in education, in economic and other, you not good results in your scene. Because you seen where the atom bomb will be attack, and you see that the not good plant will be not create and other, मतलब वहाँ पर कोई ज़मीन ज़रख़ेज़ नहीं होती। आप मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के देखते हैं, मतलब आपको ज़मीन ज़रख़ेज़ नहीं मिलेगी, वहाँ की जनरेशन एक अच्छी, वहाँ की पैदावार अच्छी नहीं होती। तो इसके बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान है एटम बम के लिए। तो माई ओपिनियन इज़ दिस, एटम वी कैन नॉट यूज़ एटम बम बिकॉज वी कैन बैकवर्ड इन एजुकेशन इन अदर, because this is the according to situation we seen that. But it is your power, and we any problem in your country, so you solve on the table, on the round table, but not use in war. It's my opinion. So because education is very important, if we seen the western country and foreign country, where education is very important, because there is development continent and development countries according to education, because where education is very strong and not corruptions. So our education, our education is will be strong, we are strong, so inshallah will be. And so it's my point of view. So इसी बात से मैं अपना टॉपिक का अख्ताम करता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Assalamu alaikum to all friends. Today my topic is atom bomb or education. Okay, most of the persons selected the atom bomb. Okay, understand without educations who can using the atom bomb. Okay, I myself giving the example to him. Okay, if we giving the pencil, whichever person who not went the school the any day of life, then how to will be usage, how to without education anything important, anything is not impossible. From the educations we increasing our confidence, we increasing our intelligence, we taking the knowledge, we taking the awareness, we understands way of life. And education giving the awareness us how to the problem solutions has been inflicted. That's why from the education we can do the all things. Okay, without education, if we have a atom bomb, without education, that like example of if we have a rifle that we have not a bullets, then what doing by me, what doing like a better sword from the rifle, null rifle. That's why education must for us if we want the if we want making the most of the, if we want making the a lot of atom bomb in our country, that's we increasing our education systems. Okay, we must better our education system. That's why we making the most of the a lot of atom bombs in our country. That's why we have from the education we face the any types, all type of challenges in our life. Okay, time has to be done, my topic has to be end. Okay, take care, god bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Pakistan zindabad, Pakistan paindabad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have got a topic from Sir Noman, education or atom bomb. Pakistan is the only country with having atom bomb in Muslim countries. There are about 52 Muslim countries and only Pakistan have atom bomb, and there are total 200 countries in the world and only 7 countries have the atom bomb. So it's a great honor for Pakistan. But we all know about what is atom bomb. It will destroy the country, it will melt the humans, it will melt the homes, factories and each and everything, and a country with the buildings and a good and a developing country the atom bomb will destroy it within a minute and make it like a flat ground. So this is how dangerous is atom bomb. Instead of atom bomb, if we think and observe about the education, as we know about education, that education is the key to success. Means if you want to be a successful person, so you have to educate yourself. And education versus atom bomb will make a successful person downfall and destroy their future of millions of people. So I think education is obviously better than atom bomb fight or whatever.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers. My name is Amir Hitab. I am from Mardan. First of all, I thank my Allah, who is the most merciful and the most powerful. Today is my topic about the education. What is the education? Education is the one of the powerful weapon we use to change the world. Education is help to learn the now things and develop, etc. Education is help to earn livelihoods. With the advent of the technology network is playing a big role in the importance of the education. Education is help to improve development of the country. Education is improve the thinking of the society and eliminate the evil of the society. Education uh, is very important for both girls and boys. The education is made free and compulsory for children of age 6 to 14 under the Right Education Act. Education, we can get education from school and college, etc. So this is my topic about education, and I had discussed in the last. Wassalam. Thank you.
With the name of Allah Almighty, the Rahman, the Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Wahab and I am from Karachi. Today the presentation topic will be education. Education is the most important from life. Education is an important tool which is useful in every life. Everybody life education is differentiate, which which gets the ready and get them ready to face challenges of another efficiency. With that being said, education still remains and a necessity in our country. Education awareness to spread strong the country, to make education accessible, to make education incomplete without the first without first realizing the importance of education. It empowers human being challenges of life efficiency. With that being said, education still remains a luxury, not a necessity in our country. Education awareness needs to spread through the country to make education accessible, but this remains incomplete without first realizing incomplete of the education. Education differentiates with another life from the human beings.